Hey everyone, a couple things came up today that I want to talk about, so I'm going to do two short videos today. The first one has to do with documents. I've spoken about documents in other videos, but from a quality standpoint, when you're putting together a quality system, documents are important because we want to be able to show that we're doing whatever is required, and that's through documentation. So again, if it's not documented, it didn't happen. ISO, of course, is very important because you have to have the system in place for those ISO standards, and that system is documentation. So I've heard this countless times over the years. It's an internal document. Okay. Why do you need it? Why do you need that document, right? If it's not really needed, then you don't need it and it can go away, right? But you're using it daily because you need it for something, right? So you created something for some reason, but instead of controlling it, you are just using it, and it's uncontrolled. It's just out there and anyone can use it any way they want, but there's also nothing in writing saying how to use it, right? So it's important that if you need something to document your activities for either your business requirements, your customer, your client requirements, that you get it documented. And hopefully you have a document control system in your business that can be handled with. And I work with a lot of companies that till today don't really have that in place. They don't think controlling their documents are important. But again, as part of a quality system, you have to have it controlled. You have to make sure that that document can't be modified because it has to be a standard. It has to be created so that every employee that uses it uses that document the same way every time. So giving it a control number, a name, and locking it so that it prevents folks from manipulating the contents of that document is very important. It's part of a quality management system. It's part of ISO 9001 2015. So just keep that on your mind when you are creating documents, when you need documents. Okay, because oftentimes I've lost count. People will just make something, start using it, and it's not controlled and it's out there, and it causes problems down the line, either internally within the company or with your customer and or client. All right, so just something to think about.